Hi, my friends, it's Miss Alexander, and today we're working on Module 5, Lesson 24 of EngageNY. We are going to practice decomposing and composing fractions greater than 1 to express them in various forms. So here are vocabulary words: whole number, fraction, numerator, denominator, mixed number, and improper fraction. Here are our steps we're doing today. We're going to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. And then at the end, if we need to, we're going to simplify and make sure we have our prime numbers or our numbers that we can't take other numbers out of. Let's go look at our example. Right here, I have 87 out of 11. I noticed that some of you guys have been struggling with this concept, so I wanted to put it in there, plus EngageNY, wanted to put it in there and give you guys some practice. So I see that 11 is smaller than 87, so I'm going to go ahead and take 11 out. But I realize that I need to make sure my numerator here, because we're rewriting it differently, goes up to 87. So right now I have 11. If I add 11 more, I have 22. If I add 11 more, I have 33. If I add 11 more, I have 44. 11 more, I have 55. 11 more, 66. 11 more, 77. And if I add 11 more, you guys, I get 88. Well, I know I can't have 88 because my number's 87. So I'm going to take this 11 off right here because I know I need a different number. Right here, I have 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, but I need to make it up to 87. So if I capture that 77 and count up to 87, I see that I have 10 fingers showing. And now that when I've done that, I'm going to count up all of my 11 over 11s, because remember, that makes a whole 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right here, I'm going to write a 7. But then we have this fraction right here. I get to tack it on the 7 because it comes along for the ride. Now I'm going to look at this fraction right here. The 10 out of 11. Is that in its purest form? Can I take a number out of either of those? If you notice, 11's prime. So we're kind of done. There's nothing else to do. So this answer is 7 and 10 11ths. So I go ahead and put it in all my little spots just to practice writing my fractions. Okay, let's look at one more problem. I have 63 tenths. So right here, I'm going to write 63 over 10 equals, and remember, I'm going to take as many tens out that I can. So I'm going to do 10 over 10 plus, that's 10. 10 over 10, which is 20. 10 over 10, which is 30. 10 over 10, which is 40. 10 over 10, which is 50. 10 over 10, which is 60. 10 over 10, which equals 70. Oh, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I went too far, you guys. So right here, where we're at 60, I have to capture that 60 and count up to 63. And I see that when I do that, I have 3 fingers up. So right over here, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll put a 6, and then my 3 tenths comes along for the ride. And I know that 3 is a prime number, and I cannot pull 3 out of 10. So my answer is 6 and 3 tenths. So right here, I'm writing a 6 and then 3 tenths. I know some of us struggle with the concept of this step 1 right here, but I want you guys to practice. Just take your time. Remember, we have to get into that learning pit and struggle so we can learn this and be successful at the end. Remember, you take this top number, our numerator, and make sure that all our numerators on this side that we're adding up equals that number. And then we get to count how many of these whole numbers we have. As you're doing this, take a breath. You've got this. It is okay to struggle. Just keep pushing through. You will make it to the other side. And always, as you're doing this, remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.